Hi, we are students from Wyrallah Road Public School from 3 to 4.
Wyrallah Road Public School is in Lismore, and we would love to experience wattle trees.
Why? Because we want to experience how they grow, different from a height or to what they look like, if they're different or not.
Hi, I'm Thomas.
Hi, I'm Dakota.
What do you think will happen from the wattle seeds in space?
I think they'll grow really high. What about you?
I think since it's colder in space, they will grow smaller because normally colder things make things die.
Thank you from Wyrallah Road Public School.
We would really like if you could give us some wattle seeds to experience how they grow.